Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Webai token. Now the Webai token is just finishing their pre-sale right now on pinksale.finance. Name of the token is Web Space AI. Ticker symbol is Webai, all one word. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it after the pre-sale is over in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here, the Webai token. So it says Webai is an innovative project that utilizes artificial intelligence technology to create customized websites from scratch. It utilizes deep learning algorithms and natural language processing, NLP, to analyze users' requests and generate attractive user-friendly websites according to their preferences. CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko listings coming soon. Central Exchange listings coming. KYC audit. Utility is live at launch. Press releases, DEX tools, hot pairs, DEX view trending, AVE trending, staking, 10% cash back for buys over 5 BNB, and 20% cash back for buys over 10 BNB. Now they do have a full audit here listed on PinkSale, so they were audited by Spywolf Network, and you can view the PDF of that on PinkSale. They also have a KYC on here, which means that their team was doxxed to verify who they are for security reasons. They also have a Telegram on here at Webai Official, a Twitter at Webai Official, and their official webpage is webai.live. So this is a gigantic pre-sale here. They're trending #1 actually on PinkSale. They've been trending for a while. There's a couple hours left of this pre-sale. Soft cap was set at 25 BNB. And they've had 1,428 investors contribute to this pre-sale so far, which is a lot. And they've sold 1,241.5 BNB worth of tokens. So they're doing amazing here. 18 decimal places on this token. Total supply is 1 billion tokens. They had 300 million tokens for pre-sale, 149,940,000 tokens for liquidity. Initial market cap estimate is $569,164. And yeah, if you missed this pre-sale and you're looking to get this token, shortly after the pre-sale is over, they will be listed on PancakeSwap within the next day or two. If you just follow their socials, like the Twitter, the Telegram I mentioned, or you're on, or you go on their webpage, they will announce exactly when the pool gets filled on PancakeSwap within the next couple days, and all you'll have to do is fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, go into the dApps, find PancakeSwap, and then trade your BSC for the Webai token using the contract address that you could find on their webpage. Now you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics, but we'll go over that. And liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 364 days. Now, according to their token metrics pie chart here, it says 30% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 14.9% liquidity, 10% marketing, 10% central exchange listings, 10% burn 1 day, 5% staking 1 week, 5% staking 1 month, 5% staking 50 days, 5% advisors, 4.4% burn 1 month, and then 0.6% of the tokens are unlocked. Now there is a free and quick light audit here by Analytics Audit in the discussion section on PinkSale, and there's no bad warnings on it whatsoever. It says, no mint function found. Owner cannot mint tokens after initial deployment. Owner cannot change the fees over 5%. Owner cannot set max transaction. Owner cannot change trading status. And owner cannot set a blacklist. So all sorts of good stuff there. Now on their webpage, webai.live, it says AI technology is revolutionizing in an exciting and groundbreaking way. Artificial intelligence is a form of technology that uses algorithms, advanced software, and powerful computers to process and interpret data like humans. AI has the potential to dramatically change our society as we know it, providing solutions to problems never before thought possible. Web AI is an innovative project used to create customized websites from scratch. It uses the NLP, which we mentioned earlier. With its intuitive design, Web AI simplifies the website creation process and enables users to develop professional-looking websites for any purpose without manual coding. So within the ecosystem, they have the Web AI generation tool. Using AI to build websites has many advantages over traditional coding. For example, an AI-based website is capable of providing more personalized experiences for website visitors. Traditional coding requires manual effort and knowledge of coding languages, whereas using AI to create a website makes it easier to develop, customize, and deploy a website in much less time with minimal effort and design decisions. Additionally, by utilizing AI models, businesses can use machine learning to modify their websites in order to deliver better suited content for products, as well as gain insights to visitors' preferences and behavioral patterns. They also have staking dApps. There are two main types of staking available: cold and hot staking. Cold staking requires users to store Web AI tokens in an offline cold storage wallet where it is secure from malicious actors. And hot staking, which is used by the Web AI project, involves storing tokens in an online wallet that are connected to full nodes. Now, they also have a white paper generator. It's a powerful tool for businesses, professionals, and entrepreneurs to create white papers quickly. And then they have their own swap, like a decentralized exchange. They call the Web AI swap. Now, total taxes, it says, are 3%. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from PancakeSwap, 3%, around 3% slippage. 1% tax goes to the Web AI ecosystem development, and 2% goes to strategic marketing. Now, the roadmap is available on here. It's not very super long or anything like that. So it starts with creation of Web AI and the main concept, then develop white paper, web page, and ecosystem, seed sale, start marketing on socials. Phase 2 is development of the main ecosystem, competitions and giveaways, building engagement, Web AI token fair launch, and then launch of the token. And then we got phase 3, conduct main listings, partnerships, and start of listing of their swap on CoinMarketCap, and that's where the white paper or the roadmap ends. So that maybe they'll update that. They got a couple frequently asked questions. They're partners with Dex, View, and PinkSale, and then they have a contact email and their Twitter and Telegram. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about Web AI? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.